This is going to be a video of me unboxing and testing this Prosafe Photoelectric smoke alarm. And that's what it looks like. 9-volt battery not included, but I've got one here, so no dramas. Push test button and loud 85 decibels this smoke alarm is. Then there's one side of the box, the back, barcode, other side, and the front again. Yeah, so as you know, if you've watched my channel for long enough, you'll know that I've got this smoke detector branded by Status and then 2 branded by Energizer. Now I've got one branded by Prosafe. Yeah, so those are the screws and screw plugs in case you want to install this onto a wall or ceiling. Yep, came in a plastic bag, and here it is itself. Yeah. Just out of curiosity, I'm gonna push this button and see if it actually does go off now. No, okay. And then cut back, taking it off its base. Oh, it is included. Don't need this then. I'm just gonna pop up the alarms there. Anyway, just that these were covered, so that the whole battery's covered. So I need to uncover this somehow. Hang on. Yeah. There we are. And now I'm going to get my ear defenders in. Okay, my ear defenders are now in. Now we're going to pull the battery connector out of here if I can. Yeah, sometimes these can be really hard to pull out, but just try your best. Yep, so join the positive and negatives up. We'll join them together, sorry. Yeah, and then put the battery in there. And then you will put the base plate on, screwing it in, and it clicks into place. And now your smoke alarm is ready to test. I'm now going to do a push and test in 3, 2, 1. This one doesn't want to go off very much. Well, I'm not going to press the button, but yeah, as you can hear and see, it works. The red light's flashing and the alarm is going off. But anyway, I'm now going to test this with deodorant. Okay, as you can hear and see, it works completely fine. I forgot to show you this, just to take it off. Forgot to show you the back here. So photoelectric smoke alarm, and there's all that there as well. And again, I bought this from the Wilco in the Guildhall in Exeter. Yep, which is where I've bought all my smoke detectors from recently. But yeah, anyway, this was just a video of me unboxing and testing this Prosafe Photoelectric smoke alarm. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.